This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Now I'm gonna review the Wuling Air EV. Yeah, it's a small boxy car. It's tiny and it's electric. And wait, how? Okay. Wait, this reminds me of what's again the Norwegian Think. It reminds me of Think. Look at this. It has a manual handbrake here. I bet if you put the car in park, it doesn't even have park. You have to put it in neutral and then put on the handbrake. And I bet that if you're charging, you could release the handbrake and the car could slide. I'm just guessing. Okay, let's see. Oh. Wow, look at this. There is just this center screen, or I mean the internet cluster, but no center screen. This is so basic as you want it, right? It has this Apple style button, at least it's a physical button. Okay, what about the headroom? Wait, how to take down the seat? But it doesn't have the best headroom. I'm usually trying to take down the seat. No, you know what? I think you cannot lower the seat. You can slide the seat back and forward, that's it. And then actually the floor is slightly elevated because they had to probably put the battery there. So I'm still 173 centimeters and you have barely a fist of clearance here. But then how do you get in the back? There's something that resembles a cup holder here. There. Okay, let's see here. Whoa, the back. So it's a four-seater. Huh? Wuling. Look at it in the back. Well, not that much space here. Wow, look at this window. Huh? It's like an aircraft. Wait. Where's the trunk? We are basically sitting in a trunk. Do we have Isofix here? There seems to be Isofix here. Try to feel the thing here, where the hooks are. Huh? Wait, where is it? It seems like there's Isofix in. This is so weird, man, because there are Isofix indicators, but when I feel it, there the hook. What? Dude, the hooks are here. You need to finger there and there. I think maybe they are not meant to be used because think about this. If you put Isofix base in here, you know how it goes. So the Isofix base needs to have some space here. And then how do you put in the car seat? Wait, how do you do this? Wait, let me see. But I have to check out the trunk. How is a trunk now? I mean, you are literally sitting in the trunk. How do you even open it? There. Okay, you know what? You have a trunk if you fold the back seats. Like this. Now you have a trunk. Yeah, and you can put something here. Your groceries at least. So I mean, it's a small car, but I'm thinking, oh, it has a spoiler. It actually has a spoiler. But I'm thinking, what is the price? Okay, this cost 425,000 baht, so it's quite affordable in the sense that it costs only around 50,000 euros, but only 200 kilometers range, so it doesn't go that far. But I would try to pay a little bit more and get another car. You get a BYD Dolphin, but that's 600k baht. But then you get a lot better car than this. But if it matters, I mean, if you just want an EV, you can go for the Wuling Air EV. Yeah. So anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.